Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaylee, and if you haven't, turn your phone over and make sure you subscribe and make sure you ring that bell and make sure you give us a like, a thumbs up. So today what we're going to be doing in our video is slime video. So I'm going to just set you right here. That's fine. No, should I? No. That's good. Let me just sit down. Okay. Here we got our ball. Do we have a spoon? Oh, and all our glitter up there. Have this, but I don't know if it works no more. Sorry, my voice is bad. There's only 4 of those. There's a red one, but it should be pink. Okay. And I'll just use my slime pencil, right? Yeah, I'll go get me a spoon. Come on. You guys can go with me. We're going to do a room tour on the next video, and then on the next video, we're going to do a house tour. Right now, we're in the kitchen. We didn't want to show you all of it yet. This is a drawer. Let me see if I can find a... Hold up. My mom. Hold up. ¿Mande?
¿Ya te cambiaste?
Sí.
A ver.
Espera, estoy haciendo un video.
A ver la puerta.
I don't want to show you all my room, but you might already see it also. Next video, you can see all of it. Got a spoon. Should I use this pink one or this white one? Comment down below. I'm gonna use the white one. I know I just woke up, so I was like, oh, I forgot to do a video. I tried to do it when my mom's sleeping to bother me, but she woke up. Oh yeah, there's some glitter in there too. How about I move the camera? I have a lot of bags. Look. Here, let me flip the camera. See how much bags I've been doing? You can't see them all yet because I did them a long time ago when I wasn't on videos. And when you wasn't on video, and yeah, I just said that clearly. This is a new one, and there's this new one. It's kind of small, but they're on top of each other, so that's why you can't see them really good. So later, okay, it makes too much noise. Sorry. Glitter on me now. What? Comment down below. Should I put this in with all of these colors, or should I put it in with this one or this one or this one? I already used this one on one, and I used all the colors on another one. So you have to use one. So comment down below. I should use the blue and red because those are the American flag colors. Blue and red. So I'm gonna put those two, but I'm gonna put this pink one in. See if there's some left. This was when I was making lipstick. The color, and there's a blue one too, but I don't know where it went. Well, I do know where it is in the car, but I don't feel like to go get it. Oh, look at that. See how pink it is? I mean, not really, but that's such a pretty color. You can barely see it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but look at that. It looks white. I'm gonna open this. Oh, I can open it all the way, but that's such a pretty color. Oopsies, I think I ran out. but it's okay. Oh, I made a smiley face for a second. Make sure you get that. Look, I don't know if you can see it really good. Here, I'll get the camera. Hold on. Now let's set this spin. Let me see what I had in here to lay it on. Lay it on this piece of paper. I have so much bags in here. It's dirty though. So much glitter. So let's see. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, I'll show you. I don't want to get my ear in. Okay, watch. Can you see that? Let me get the spoon. Can you see that pinkish right there? I don't know if you can see it really good. It's on camera, but the pinkish. See? And now I'm gonna add. Comment down below if you want me to add this red and the blue. A little bit because I had too much. Let's add the blue. I already added red and let me see. Green. Yeah, those are the two colors I see in there, I'm pretty sure. The sun. I don't know if the color shows a lot, but I mean the glitter. The activator. Okay, let me put this. I'm gonna throw in the trash. I have a little more up here. Okay, yeah, I'll put this on top now. It's gonna get dirty. Hey, want go? I know how to make some, don't worry. I made it a couple times. You can tell right there when I showed you the bag. That's way too much. Ew, there's a fly. Yuck. Rub it on my wall. I rubbed it on my wall, so gross. I just don't want to be seen that. I don't use gloves. Put it in my hands. Okay. I think it's done for me to put my hands on. And you put that over here. Put that in there. I don't know if y'all can see me. I had the activator on my face. If you did, you have really good eyes. That's my mom. Ew, it's gooey, sticky. I finished this before. How's it go? Oh. I have to stop the video here. I'm so sorry, guys. I have to stop the video here. We have to go eat. But yeah, look at the slime how it came out. The next video, I can show you the slime we made together, and yeah. Let me stop the video here. Just have slimy hands.